Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Artland. Now, lately, a lot of my surprise fold videos have been doing really well, and a lot of people are asking for more of the Pokeball Surprise Folds. So I'm always looking for new Pokemon to try to add. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Tyranitar Pokeball Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. We want to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice little fold right down the middle. This way it kind of looks like a birthday card. Now, after you have this, go ahead and fold it in half one more time. It's kind of like a bookmark shape. Now, once you open this up, you will see that you have three little lines, which are nice little guidelines for when you draw the inside of your picture. Now to start off with our Pokeball Surprise Fold, let's begin by tracing something circular. I'm going to use this small paint palette right here, and I'm going to put this right in the middle. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and trace around it. So we'll trace the top half first, then we will go ahead and trace the bottom half. So we have a nice little circle. Now, in the middle here, I'm going to make a half circle on top and a half circle on the bottom. Next, we'll draw a line that goes right towards that circle. We'll jump over it, and then we'll come right back here. Then I'm going to try to make a half circle right above here. And we'll do the same thing on the bottom. We'll draw a line that comes right to here. We'll jump over it, and then we'll come all the way over to here. Next, we'll make another half circle right here. Now, once we're done with this, we want to open it up and draw the inside. Now, once we have it opened up, we're going to design the inside. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this line up just a little bit higher on each side. And then we're just going to make a little line across. We'll do the same thing with this. Just draw this line up a little higher. And we'll do the same thing here. Just come down a little bit farther. Make your line across. And we'll just make this come down a little farther too. Now inside of here we want to make the Pokemon Tyranitar. So we're going to begin with the face. I want to start right here, and we'll start with the eye. Let's begin by making a line that's kind of going to go over, and then we're going to angle it down. And then right here we're going to go down, and then come up. Make a little line right here. We're going to start a little farther away. We're going to go over, and we're going to draw a line that just kind of follows that same shape. We're going to come down and then bring it back up for one of the horns. Over here we'll make another line that comes out and then back for another horn. Starting here, we're going to go in just a little bit. Then we're going to come down. Over here we're going to come over. I'm going to come down and then down like this. Next we're going to curve this around just to kind of finish off the mouth. Right here we'll draw a curve for the tongue. And we'll draw a couple little points for teeth. And a couple little triangles up here for teeth, along with a little dot for the nose. Starting here, just kind of bring this line in a little bit. And right here we'll make a line that comes down. Over here we're going to make another line that comes down. We'll draw a little line that comes in. And I'm going to make a little line that curves around, and then it's going to come back for the arm. Make a little point for a claw, and another one here, and another little claw right here. We're going to bring this down and come right to here. And this one we're going to bring this line down here. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes up to a point and down with like a triangle shape, with a couple little lines across. On the arm, we'll curve a couple lines here. And over here we'll make a line that's going to come out and bring it back for that other arm. Make a small triangle shape for a claw, one here and then one here. We'll curve two lines right up. We want to make a triangle shape right here, so we'll make one here, and we'll also make one below it. And we'll also add a small line right along the edge. Do the same thing on this side, make a triangle shape here, one here. We'll make a little line that's going to go up, and then this shape's going to go down. Now we're going to add some spikes on here. Let's make a triangle right here, and we'll make a second triangle here, triangle here, and one more right here. It can kind of be behind it a little bit. We're also going to add a long sideways triangle here, and one more here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Tyranitar Pokeball Surprise Fold. So when you have it all folded up, you have your nice little Pokeball, and then when you open it up, you have Tyranitar. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.